Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be continuing the Duraflex body kit project. It's going to be part 2. Today I'm going to be trying to get the rest of the bolts, or the bolt holes in on the front bumper and see where that goes. If I don't finish it today, then I'll probably continue this on for a couple days and then post it all together in one video. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's just jump straight into it.
Yeah.
So side note, this drill that I was using yesterday, I cannot get this bit out. I have tried so many times. It's super old, so I'm guessing it's just broken. It still works, but I can't get the bit out. So this is the size of the final hole. But a buddy of mine actually let me borrow his drill, so it's dead. Sweet, but I got a battery charging right now. I'm gonna use this drill for the smaller bits, and then that one over there for the full size, since I can't get that stupid bit out. So yeah, just a little side note, and let's get into it.
Go ahead and take off the front bumper again, the old one. I just put it back on so I could drive it without, because I didn't trust this one. I only had one thing holding it in. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out, put it on a time lapse for you guys, and maybe that'll be something cool, something new. I don't know, I've never done one before, so let's get to it.
Alright, so we went ahead and took off the front bumper. Time to put on the new one. Alright, we got the front bumper in. I'm going to go ahead and start drilling this hole. When I push it up, it looks like it's a little to the right, so I'm going to go a little to the left. And I think I'm going to do another time lapse because I looked at the other one and it looked pretty cool, so let's go ahead and do it, man. Alright guys, so I kind of ran into a problem. That hole is fine, but I just realized something. This front bumper, here, I'll go ahead and show you. Look at how far out it sticks, right? All this, that's a push pin that we need to do to secure it under the car. Well, this one, I'm not gonna be able to show you real well, but there ain't anything there. Oof.
Well, anyway, got that one in. We're going to go ahead and line this up.
We got to get this bolt hole in, drill that in there, and then do it on the other side. I'm going to start the car, turn the wheel, and do that. And after that, I guess we're going to take off the front bumper, take off these. Oh god, they are really big. Alright, take off those, put them on that bumper, and then we can use that hole down as well. So let's get to it. This one is going to be hard to do, but I think I have an idea. I have it sitting pretty straight how I want it to go. I'm also going to have to trim this corner, by the way. But I have it pretty much where I want it to go. I'm going to reach my hand under, and I'm going to take this pencil and draw right in the center of where that screw is. And then I think I'm going to take off the bumper and drill that hole, put it back on, put in the screw, see if it works. No idea if that just worked or not, but we're going to go ahead and start the car, turn the wheel, do the other side, and then we'll take out the bumper, see if I see any dots. If I do, great. If I don't, we're going to have to come up with something else. Alright, so we went ahead and did both sides. Let's go ahead and take off the front bumper, see if there's dots, and if there are. Let's drill off the holes and let's see if it works. Well, there I do not see any dots. So we're gonna have to come up with another plan, and I have no idea. Oh man, it's so hard to see if there's pencil marks on the back side of it. Oh my god. Well, I'll think of something and then I'll get you back. All right guys, so I went ahead and just did the same thing as before, and it worked right there. My dot. All right guys, so I went ahead and just did the same thing. I found the hole and I drilled it out on both sides. Right there. And now I am going to go ahead and go to that section right there and try to drill out those rivets. Never worked with rivets before, but on the new one I'm just gonna put them in right here and put a bolt and a nut on the other side instead of the rivets. So let's see how that goes. Guys, there you have it. Use these titanium coated drill bits, and I got them right out, cut off the heads of them, and then I just knocked them out with a hammer. And there we go. All right guys, so I've been working just by myself without no camera for so long right now. So many problems came my way. Those holes I drilled in the side didn't really match up, so I drilled a new one, so there's an extra hole. And then I realized that wasn't lined up, and the holes I did draw were correct. So I finally got that in to the wheel well. It's all screwed in, and the two top rivets are in, and I'm looking at it right now. Doesn't look too bad. I'll get a better camera angle for you. All right, here we are. It's still not all the way in, but the body lines are decent. There's still a little gap. This came out way better on this side. My headlights actually used to shake. Nothing anymore. That's actually holding it in. This side, the fudge is that, dude? Like, come on. And this body gap's pretty bad. But the screws are in. That's the extra hole I was talking about. Oh my god, I was pissed about that. I actually jacked up the whole car. I don't know why I didn't do that earlier, but there you go. There it is. I'm gonna be driving around with it. I am not worried about it coming off right now. It is pretty on there. It is pretty sturdy, not gonna lie. I feel more confident about driving around with this one than that bumper. Because first of all, that's out. And I don't have rivets to replace that. There it is. I don't have it in this one either, but it's a lot tighter against the body because it's not supposed to really, it is supposed to go on this body, but oh man. It has been a journey. So that is gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I don't know what the next step is. Tomorrow I'm actually going to see John Wick with my dad, so I'm not gonna be doing anything probably on the car. Whew, but I am tired, dude. There's so many mosquitoes out. I was starting to get bit a lot, and I have literally been up since 4:30 or 4:20 this morning. I gotta wake up at 4:20 tomorrow again for school, so that's gonna be it, guys. Let's see if we can focus. Y'all have a good one. Catch you later. Let me know in the comments whether you think I'm stupid as heck, stupid as hell, or if you like the videos, because honestly right now no one's watching, but that's okay. If anyone needs help, it's there for you, so. All right, well, enough rambling on. I'm gonna go, guys. Peace out. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe for more. I'm gonna continue to put on the rest of the body kit. I still got a back bumper and side skirts to do, and I'm not done with the front bumper, obviously. And I'm still gonna paint it all and everything. So, peace out, guys. Have a good one. Stay safe. Deuces.